Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Paysafecard on your PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So for this video I'll be doing this on the PlayStation Store website, and the first thing you want to do is just log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you should be able to go to the top right corner and click this little profile icon, and then you should see an option which should be the third one down, which says payment management. From there we can go ahead and click that, and from here we have two options. If you have a normal Paysafecard, we can go ahead and click add funds and then choose Paysafecard as our funding method. From there we can choose which amount we want to add, and then from there we can click continue to actually add this money into our account. Now if you have the Paysafecard MasterCard, you can actually choose add payment method and then instead choose credit or debit card. And from there we can enter in the MasterCard details here, and then when we click next, we'll be able to add funds using the credit card that we just added. Once you've done that, you'll then have credit in your PlayStation account, and you can go into your PlayStation or use this website to purchase whatever it is you wanted. So that's how you can use your Paysafecard on PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.